Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, share within and outside your circle. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this knot bag. So there are two different sizes in this video. One is the knot tote bag, which is the bigger size, and the other one is the knot fringe bag, which is the smaller, cuter size. I'm going to show you guys how I got the one without the fringe and how I achieved the one with the fringe as well. And also guys, it is reversible. Both of them are reversible, and trust me, they are beautiful. So yes guys, let's get into this amazing tutorial. So guys, the measurement for this tote bag size is 55 inches by 20 inches, and that's what I've cut right here. This is 55 by 20. Now you're going to need two pieces. Remember, it's reversible. In my case, I'm using this Ankara fabric and this black fabric. So what you're going to do now is you're going to place it right sides facing each other, and you're going to sew it all around, but you're going to leave a small space that you're going to turn it inside out from. So place it right sides facing each other, then sew it along all the edges, but make sure to leave a small gap that you're going to turn your fabric inside out from. So after sewing it all around, you're going to leave a space that you're going to turn it inside out, and then you're going to use that space to turn everything inside out. So after turning it inside out, you're going to iron it flat. If you don't want to iron it, you can move on to the next stage. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the center. So fold the fabric into two and find the middle. Now that I've found the middle, I'm going to tie a knot. So basically just a knot. So you're going to keep pulling to make sure the knot is at the center. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick which side you want the open seams to be on. You know it's going to still be clean finish. The part you want the open seams to be on, you are going to pick what side you want that to be on. I want it to be on this Ankara side. So I'm going to turn it to the black side, and then I'm going to place it together like this, black on black. Now that I've done that, I'm going to sew from this end right here up to about, so let me measure it so you guys can know where to stop sewing. So you're sewing up to 10 inches. After sewing it to this 10 inches, you're going to sew this side, and then you're going to come to this side as well. Sew only these two because we're still going to do another process on this bag. So sew only this side, and then we'll get back to the next stage. So guys, I have sewn it. Can you see? This is the knotted side, and this is the opening, and this is where I sewed. Can you see? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this sewn edge and this sewn edge together at the center here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew it along this end. So this hem right here, sew it using a straight line. And this is what the knot tote bag looks like. This is the final result. Now we're going to move to the knot fringe bag, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you guys what the bag looks like basically. So let's get into the next sewing process of this fringe style. Guys, for the smaller one, I have cut out a fabric that is 30 inches by 11 inches. 30 inches by 11 inches. I've cut out two pieces right here, just like I did for the big tote bag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my fringe. So you're going to cut a fringe that is this measurement, the 11 inches, and then you're going to place it on it. Make sure the fringe is towards the inside. So place it on the edge like this. And then for the other side, you're going to place it as well on the edge, making sure that the fringe is also inside. You're going to take your second fabric and place it on it like this. And then you're going to sew all around. So after sewing it all around, you're going to leave a space that you're going to turn it inside out, and then you're going to use that space to turn everything inside out. After turning it inside out, you're going to have something that looks somewhat like this. So you can see the fringe is here and the fringe is down here as well. So all you're going to do is you're going to look for the center and then create a knot from there. Now that we've done the knot, what we're going to do now is we're going to place it together. The black side and the black side is where I'm going to put together right now. And then I'm going to sew along the sides a little bit. So about 5.5 inches in, that's what I'm going to sew. So sew about 5.5 inches in on this side and on this side. Don't touch the base yet. Don't touch that base yet. So just do the 5.5 here, 5.5 here. So guys, this is what it looks like. I have sewn it on the two sides. Now if you want yours to be bigger, you need to increase your measurement. Now I'm going to take these two ends and put them together just like this. So that means they'll be at the center. And then to make sure you have fringe on the other side, the black side, and on this side, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure to put the fringe on this side inside before sewing. So push it in. Make sure the ones on top here are inside. And then what you're going to do is you're going to sew along this end right here. So sew it down on this edge. And guys, that's all I have for this tutorial. This is what the fringe style looks like. I hope you guys love it. It is so cute. I love how it's reversible. I love the fringe coming down. I love everything about it. I love the big one as well. It looks really good. It's like the everyday tote bag with a difference. So you can put so many things inside with this measurement. I put in my tripod. I put in so many things and it fits perfectly. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with me outside your circle. I have other videos that are, reversible pieces, clothes that you can wear in multiple ways, bags that you can reverse in different ways, convertible clothing, different sewing tutorials, beginner friendly tutorials on this channel. Guys, go check it out. I have a lot on this channel for you guys. And guys, that's all I have for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video within and outside your circle. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.